For today's discussion, we'll be doing the binary coded decimals or the BCD. It is a decimal number, okay? Decimal number, and then we'll be converting that into BCD. So ang BCD nyo is a 4-bit binary per digit decimal representation. Okay, okay. And then you should be also taking note that each 4-bit binary limits its value only to 9. Okay, so the maximum value for a 4-bit BCD is, so how do you write binary? The binary equivalent of 9, so that is 1, and then 0, 0, and then 1. Okay, okay. So for example, okay, so convert the number 5 into a BCD equivalent. Okay, so we have the concept that each digit in the decimal should be represented by a 4-bit binary number. So 5 is written as in BCD as 0, then 1, and then 0, and then 1. Okay. If we have two characters, then we should be also writing per character, per digit into individual 4-bit binary number. Example, we have let's say this a letter A and then letter B. Then we have example we have 11. Okay. Then convert that into BCD. So to convert this one, we proceed with each digit should be represented by a 4-bit number. So we know this one as 1, 11. So we write first the BCD for 1. So that is 0, 0, 0, 1. And then another, then 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is the BCD equivalent of 11. And then we try another values like 25. Letter C, then 25, then convert that into BCD. Okay, so the BCD should be per digit. Okay, so we write what is the equivalent of 25 in binary as a 4-bit, that is 0, 0, 1, 0. And then how about 5? So 5 is written as 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now this is your BCD. Okay, letter D, what about we have 3, 2, 2. Okay, to BCD. So write this ones per digit again. So in total, you'll be arriving to a 12 binary bits. Okay, so what is the equivalent of 3? That is 0, 0, 1, 1. How about 2? That is 0, 0, 1, 0. And then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so you write your 322 in decimal is equal to 0, 0, 1. And then that is 0, 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so that is in terms of BCD. Okay, so take note class that the limit only of per decimal or per digit in a decimal number should be not greater than 9. So this one, and this one should not be greater than 9. Okay, so the answer should be in between 9 only. So above 10, we have another methods to correct your BCD if its values proceeds to above 9. Okay, so we'll be encountering that problems if we will be doing addition and subtraction of the BCD. So for now, you will be able to convert your BCD to binary. I mean BCD to decimal. So all you need is to group the numbers by 4. Okay, so for example, we have 1, 0, then 0, 0, and then 0, 1, 0, 1, and then 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so to convert that into decimal, you just need to group each number by 4. Okay, and then write the decimal value of this. So this becomes 1. This becomes 1, then 2, this is 4, then this is 5, and then this is 0, 0, then this is 4. Okay, so your answer should be 451 in decimal. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, okay, now let's add some other examples. We have, let's try to add the binary or the BCD equivalents of decimal numbers. For example, so pag nag-add tayo ng BCD class, so that is the same way that we are adding in decimals. But take note that the resulting 4 bits of the BCD should not be greater than 9. Okay, so example natin. So we have 3 plus 4 in the decimal. So we get an answer of 7. Then we convert this one into its BCD equivalent. We have 0, 3, that is 0, 0, 1, 1. And how about 4, that is 0, 1, 0, 0. So when we add this one, also we get 1, 1, 1, and 0. Then try to check if the equivalent of binary is 7. So becomes 1, 2, and 4 and 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So this becomes 7, okay, which is correct and which is correct. Okay, now the problem arises only if we are having to add numbers that is greater than 9. Okay, for example, we have a 7 plus 8. Okay, 7 plus 8. Okay, so 7 plus 8, we know this one as 15. Okay, then we write the decimal or the BCD equivalent for each number. So we have 7, so we have 0, then 1, 1, 1. And then for 8, we got 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so if we add this one, we are proceed 1, then 1, then 1, and then this becomes plus 1. No, no carry. So because this is so first is 1. Okay. So try to check if this yields as 15. Okay. So try natin. If this is 15, so this is 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Now this is 8, 9, 10. Okay. So that is 12, 13, 14. Yes, this is equals to 15. But kung i-convert natin class itong 1, 5, our answer should be 0, 0, 0, 1. And then the answer should be 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So the problem arises when their sum is so different when we are converting them into their BCD equivalent. Okay, this one is correct. So 15. But the limits of BCD numbers should not exceed, should not be less than or equal to 9. Okay, yung equivalent niya sa decimal ha. Okay. So to correct this kind of errors, just if above 9, okay, just add 6. Okay, so the binary equivalent of 6 is 0. Then we have 1, 1, then 0. Okay. So to correct this one, to become this one, because this is a BCD of 15, we need to add 6. So what we're going to do, we add what 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Then we get the sum. We have 1, then 1, 0. Then this is 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1 plus 1, that is 1 carry 1. And then we have uh, 1 plus 1 is 1 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 0 carry 1. Then you group this one by 4. Okay. So you can add 3 zeros here. So this is the BCD equivalent of 15. Okay. So that is the proper way in adding your BCD if the sum is more than 9. Okay, let's try another example. We have, let's try bigger numbers. We have 83. We have 83. And then we have 39. Okay. We know this one. This is 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 122. And then this one should be written as in binary, that is 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 0. And then 0, 0, 1, 0. So that should be the BCD equivalent of 1, 2, 2. Okay. So you can notice that if we proceed with the BCD of each number, that is 83. So what is 8? That is 1, 0, 0, 0. And what is 3? That is 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and then this is 0, 0, 1, 1. And then how about 9? That is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, and then we add this one when we do the addition. That is 0, carry 1, then 0, then 1. And then this is, what do you say? 1, and then 1. And then you have 0, and then you have 1. Okay, so let's try to check each number if it corresponds to 1, 2, 2. Okay, so let's try this one. So you can easily say that this is not 1, 2, 2. Tama ka? Bakit? It's because this is 8, 8, and this is 2. So this is 10. Okay, and then we have 1, 0. Okay, so you have numbers that exceeds 9. And then this one is 1, 0. This is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11, right? 11. Okay. Okay. So that should be not the equivalent. So you cannot write as 11, 10, or you cannot add up that 11 plus 10. So that is not 1 to 2. So to correct this method or to correct these answers, we just add a number 6 on each 4 bits that exceeds 9. Okay, so kada 4 bits class na nalagpas ng 9, you should be adding 6 to correct that one. Okay, what are you going to do? Start ka dito sa rightmost muna. So you have the number 10111010. Ito yon. Okay, so unahin na muna natin yung ito. So we start at the rightmost. Okay, so we need to add 6110, and then add 1, 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1, then 1, 0, carry 1, and then this is 0, carry 1, then 1, and then 1. Okay, so that's your answer. Uh, corresponds to this one. Hindi pa. Okay, so ulitin nga natin dito. Said that it is, ulitin natin yung pag-add. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, let's try to recap this one ha, yung pag-add natin dito. Something is wrong. Okay. Okay. So we need to, this is 0, then carry 1. So it becomes 0, 0, then carry 1. This becomes 1. This 1. This becomes 1. And then we have, napasobra, kaya pala. Then 1, 1, then 1, then 0, and then we have 1. Okay. Sige. Okay, tama yan. And then we know this number is, okay, let's try to get this decimal equivalent of this number. So this is 8, this is 2, 9, 10, this is 11. This 8 plus 4, so that is 12. Okay, so this should be not the proper way to write the number in BCD. Okay, so tingnan nyo, ang BCD natin meron siyang 12 bits or group of 3, group of 4. Okay, so let's add. Okay, we need to correct this one by adding 6 here sa 12. Since ang 12 more than 9, then you need to correct that by adding 1, 0. Okay, so your answer should be each number class. So that is 0, then this is, okay, so ano natin ha, i-separate na lang natin para malinaw. Ito, separate natin. That is 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 11, 0, 0. Then add ka muna sa rightmost. Unahin mo muna dito class rightmost. That is 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Then 0. Then that is 1. Then that is 0, carry 1. Okay, then you have 0, carry 1. Then 1. Then you have, tama na gato. Okay. And then that is A1. Okay, uh, that is 0, 0. Tama ga. That is 0, carry 1. Then 0, carry 1. Then 1. Then you have 1 lang. Okay. Okay. Okay na. So ngayon, tingnan mo to kung na-correct mo na siya. Magko-coincide niya siya 2. 'Di ba? Ito ay 2 na. Okay. The next problem would be ito. Ito ay, that is 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. So, ayan yung problem ngayon. Since okay na to class na 4 bits, dito na tayo mag-add ng number 6 para ito na lang i-correct natin. So that you can drop already with 0, 0, 1, 0. Then proceed to the addition of 0, 1, then 0 carry 1, then 0 carry 1. Okay. Then, isip ka ng bilang by 4. Okay, so okay na ba to? This is 2. This one is 2. Okay, and this one, okay, you can add 3 zeros before. Then this becomes 1. So tama na siya na 1, 2, 2. Okay, so to summarize, you should be adding the number 10, 110, or the number 6 on each 4 bits na nag-exceed ng 9. Okay, starting from the rightmost. Okay, so that's all for your BCD conversion to decimal and vice versa, and the addition or the correcting of numbers of BCD that exceeds the decimal value of 9. Okay, okay. Thank you and stay safe.